Welcome to section 2 of the Learn R Programming video series, diving into variables and functions. In this section, we'll learn about numbers and arithmetic, how to create and use variables. We'll learn about vectors, how to use functions, and how to find and read function documentation. This video is on exploring numbers and arithmetic operators. We'll start by looking at the 4 basic mathematical operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We'll learn about 2 slightly more advanced operators, the exponent and modulus operators. And we'll learn about parentheses and the order of operations in R. Let's move over into RStudio. We already know from previous videos how to perform basic addition in R. If I type 4 plus 4 into the console and press enter, R gives me the answer 8. We can also chain together addition operations, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. As well as whole numbers and positive numbers, we can use decimals and negative numbers. 0.1 plus 4.2 is 4.3. Negative 1 plus 8 is 7, and we're using a hyphen there to indicate the minus sign in front of negative 1. Subtraction is quite similar, again using the hyphen to indicate a minus sign. 10 minus 4 is 6. 100 minus 90 is 10. 80 minus 4 minus 0.1 is 75.9. For multiplication, we use the asterisk, which is above the 8 on most keyboards. So to indicate 4 times 7, we type 4 asterisk 7, 28. Multiplications can be chained together. 2 times 5 is 50, and we can use negative numbers and decimals. Negative 9 times 0.1 is negative 0.9. For division, we use the forward slash, which is on the same key as the question mark on most keyboards. 100 forward slash 2 is 100 divided by 2, or 50. 400 forward slash 2 forward slash 4 is 50. And of course we can use negative numbers and decimals. Negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. 80 divided by 0.1 is 800. So that's the 4 basic mathematical operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We'll also learn about 2 slightly more advanced operators. The first is the exponent operator. The exponent operator raises one number to the power of another. So for example, 10 raised to the power of 2, or 10 squared. To type an exponent, we use the caret sign, which is above the 6 on most keyboards. So if I type 10 caret 2, that's 10 raised to the power of 2, or 10 squared, 100. We can also use negative numbers and decimals, so 2 raised to the power of minus 1 is 0.5, 8 raised to the power of 0.1 is 1.231144. Let's have a look at what happens if we use an operation that results in a very large number. So for example, 10 raised to the power of, let's say, 50. R gives us back the result expressed in scientific notation, 1e plus 50. In this case, the e plus is a stand-in for times 10 to the power of, so the answer is 1 times 10 to the power of 50. Standard scientific notation. If I raised, for example, 11 to the power of 43, the answer is 6.024007 times 10 to the power of 44. The order of operations in R follows the same basic rules that you would have learnt in school. Parentheses come before multiplication and division, which come before addition and subtraction. So if I type 4 times 3 plus 2 times 2, the answer is 16. The multiplications are evaluated first. 4 times 3 is 12, 2 times 2 is 4, and then the addition is evaluated. 12 plus 4 is 16. We can use parentheses to change the order of evaluation. If I type 4 plus, open parenthesis, 3 plus 2, close parenthesis, times 2, the answer is now 40. The expression inside the parentheses, 3 plus 2, is evaluated first, 6. Then 4 times 6 is 24. The expression inside the parentheses is evaluated first. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then 4 times 5 is 20. Times 2 is 40.